ಹಲೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸೋಲ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಔರಂಗಾಬಾದ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲೋರಾ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿರ್ಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋರಾ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಜಂತಾ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ಬರುವಾಗ ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಗೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ 99% ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ನೋಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಹ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಫ್ರಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಗೈಡ್ಗಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ 800 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಬಾರ್ಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 600 ರುಪೀಸ್ಗೆ ಒಪ್ಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದರು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸೋ ತನಕ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು 600 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಂತೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಓದಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಸೊ ತಡ ಮಾಡದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್.
Buddhist caves, 17 Hindu caves, and 5 are Jain caves. And why 3 together here? I will tell a very big reason. Hindu and Jain. But only in India 2 places. Badami and Ellora same caves.
Same case, okay.
But that stone is red color. This is a black. This is volcanic. Because Chalukya dynasty, he ruled Maharashtra. He rules Gujarat. He ruled Madhya Pradesh, Andhra and Karnataka. He have a 5 states. He control. So he done these caves. And already I am saying Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat, Western Ghat. So he rules here. So he done these caves.
Okay.
Satavahan and Chalukyas. And these caves, Rashtrakuta families.
Rashtrakuta, okay.
And Rashtrakuta, who is the founder? Naresh Dandirga. He is the founder of Rashtrakuta. So in Hinduism, there is Shiva and Vishnu. Right? Because North Indian people worship Shiva. And South Indian people worship Vishnu. So only here, only one cave number 15 dedicated to Vishnu.
Only one cave.
And 17 caves all dedicated to Shiva.
Shiva.
You know why? Because first came here Naresh Dandirga, he came first. So he done Vishnu caves. Then his uncle come, Krishna one. So he done Kailash, the main one.
Kailash, okay.
Because Naresh, then he is the founder of Rashtrakuta family.
Yeah.
But he done Vishnu caves here. Then after his uncle come Krishna one, he done Kailash, the main one. So he started.
Okay.
Then after all 16 caves all dedicated to Shiva. So only one cave number 15 dedicated to Vishnu. So Hinduism Shiva and Vishnu no. So first they done Vishnu, then lot of Shiva caves.
Yeah.
And Jainism, there is that cave 10th century to 11th century. 10 to 11. And who they done? Amoghavarsha.
Amoghavarsha.
He also Rashtrakuta, but he belonged to Hinduism, but he converted to Jainism.
Okay.
So he made the replica.
Oh, okay.
Jainism replica, similar to there. Because Kailash is very huge and very big.
Yeah.
So Buddhist cave they done 580 to 780 Chalukya dynasties.
Oh.
And this one is Rashtrakuta dynasties. And Jainism is Amoghavarsha dynasties. So all dynasties coming from Karnataka, all North Karnataka. They came from there to here.
Okay.
So they done all these caves. So all these caves carving 600 years.
600 years.
5 to 7, 200, 8 to 9, 200, 10 to 11, 200. So carving 600 years. Different time now. So 5 to 7. So this cave 1500 years old.
Okay.
And this is 13th century, 1300 because later.
Later.
8 to 9. So Jainism 10 to 11, 11th century. So 15th century, 13th century, 11th century. Why like this? This is Dharma Prachar, worship, Dharma Prachar. And this is going to competition of religion. Chalukya, then Rashtrakuta, then Amoghavarsha. Because they came different time.
Yes.
Because India has 29 states and 38 dynasties. When you go to North India, there is the Aryans people. When you go to South India, there is the Dravidians people. So these are all designing all South Indian people, Dravidians. That's why Hampi, Tamil Nadu, the Mahabalipuram, Hampi, there is a lot of temple now. So they done these caves all carving, designing this mountain. So because Buddhism 2 types, Hinayana and Mahayana. Do you know that Hinayana, Mahayana? Hinayana people they believe idol. No, Hinayana people they believe stupa. And Mahayana people they believe idol worship. So this is the 12 caves all Buddha idol worship.
Idol worship.
Because Hinayana is older and Mahayana is younger. Like Hinduism, Shiva is older, Vishnu is younger. Hinduism like Digambar is young, Digambar is older and Shodham is younger. So those caves all Digambar caves. Jainism is Digambar. So this is all Mahavir. And Hinduism there is a both, Shiva, Vishnu both. And in Buddhism number 10 there is a Hinayana, Mahayana both. That is a prayer hall.
Okay.
But all 12 caves all Mahayana. But number 10 there is a Hinayana, Mahayana both number 10.
Okay.
There is a prayer hall number 10.
Okay.
And how they carve the caves? So when you carving here, Anna, when you carving here, this rock is very easy to carve.
Okay.
When you know why? When monsoon come,
Easy.
right, because the rock becomes softer.
Yeah.
And when you beginning, it's very hard to carve.
Yeah.
And when you come to summertime, April, May, so you can feel very cool inside. And when you come to winter time, you can feel very warm. And when you come to monsoon time, the monsoon doesn't enter inside. The rain doesn't go inside. Because even us, summertime like cool, winter time like warm.
You go inside.
Like this. In those time, summertime, winter time, monsoon time, they use these caves. That is reason to make that is reason they choose this mountain volcanic. There's were so many caves, Western Ghat. I think you understand what I'm telling you.
Got it.
Because summertime, monsoon time, winter time, they use these caves. That is reason, because even people like also summer, winter, monsoon like
For the purpose of survival.
like this. So that's why they use these caves. That is reason. That's why all different dynasty came and different dynasty designing. So and all these caves carving cut in. Cut in means this is front to back. So there is no interconnected caves.
No interconnection.
These people going inside and coming back. So they're not coming these caves. So they're just taking around and coming out. And Kailash temple carving from top down
Top to down.
and then coming back to front.
Okay.
That is a monolithic. Monolithic means single rock. Largest monolithic temple in the world.
Only one single.
Largest monolithic temple in the world means single one piece.
One piece I got.
That's why people telling about that temple they make by aliens.
Aliens.
Other country people, because they thinking it's not possible to make human being. Because there is a designing and carving, all the structures, all designing from South India, Hampi and Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
So then they agree it's possible to they done Krishna 1. They started Krishna 1, they Kailash. So that is a very highlight number. You need more time there. You need maybe 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Because I want so much talk there, no?
Yeah.
So much spending there. But this case is very simple.
Simple. Okay.
Now Anna come. So it is a residence.
Residential cave.
These are residential caves. Residential caves, you know why this? Because those times these caves they using for hostel college.
Oh, okay.
The monks, the Buddhist monks people.
Got it.
Yeah, number 12. And number 11, that one is a school.
Okay.
And other caves all living. So these are all village.
Okay.
Those times these are all village.
Village. Okay.
This is all rock cut temple village. So number 10, 11, 12. So these are like village.
Okay.
And all these basalt rock.
This all
Basalt black.
black.
Basalt rock. And there is a lot of bubble inside, you know, bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yeah, because when the air is chilled, then there is a lot of holes. So they're easy to carve this. And some, yes, bubble inside.
Okay.
So this is number 11, this two-story caves. Number 12 is three-story caves.
This is number 11.
Yeah, number 11 and that is number 12.
12.
Number 1 to 12 is all Buddhist.
Buddhist.
Okay.
Yes. The beginning number 1. The stair is there number 2.
Okay.
There's 2 pillar number 3. There's so many pillar number 4. The water is coming 5. The upside 6. The ground level 7. Inside 8 and up is 9. This is 10. Then 11 there is 12.
Okay.
See 10 number so much carving here.
Yeah.
You know why so much carving? This is a prayer hall.
Okay.
See there is very simple. No, and 11, 12 also very simple. So I will tell what the reason. So number 1, 2, 3, 4. They say mud vihar.
Mud vihar.
Mud means living and vihar means meditation. So those time the monks people living and meditation in those time. And number 5 the water is coming. There is a dining hall.
Okay.
And number 6 to 9 again same living and meditations.
Okay.
And this is a prayer hall.
Prayer hall.
Number 11 is school and 12 was college. So this is like a village.
Oh,
Okay.
got it.
So number 10 they use 2 time morning and evening. Morning and evening. Number 5 they use 3 time. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. 11, 12 they use afternoon time. They have a schedule like this. So only this case so much carving. Why? Because they done here.
It's a prayer hall.
Prayer hall. And those caves unfinished. Why unfinished? Because they beginning caves. They want to make nice there, but the rock not good. They make again. That's why they're using for living.
Living.
That's why they make dining. Then make again living. Then they use prayer hall. He got me. But I'm telling you. That's why that case is 580. This case 680. Number 12 780. So like this. So they are a beginning cave. That's why the number 1 the 3 pillar artificial. They are concrete.
Concrete. Okay.
There is no real. But the stair also artificials.
Okay.
And these pillars are also artificials. Even our waterfall they are also artificials. But here you don't get artificial because here is so much carving. So these are all trial caves, practice caves.
Got it. Okay.
So this is a very highlight number 10. So this is the main caves. And now you come again little bit here. Why together here? Now you looking everyone east side.
Yeah.
You are facing east, mine facing west.
Oh.
And this cave facing south.
Okay.
This is the north. So this is north, south, east, west.
Yeah.
Right? So this cave facing in the west. No in the south, not in the north, only west. And no east facing no caves. All the western ghat. Because they need those time light, sunlight and moonlight.
Because they will do.
So they need light, no sunlight and moonlight. The sun and moon, when the sun is coming east to west, the sun is going to inside the cave. Then they're carving chisel hammer. That's why they're carving side by side and they're working digging inside, cut in.
Okay.
That's why here so much carving here because this is a perfect caves. Because Saudi people they make a lot of gopram.
Gopram, yeah.
This side and that side
South
gopram.
Indian, yeah,
Gopram.
yeah.
And North Indian people Shikhra temple, A shape Shikhra.
Oh.
So these are Aryans, these are Dravidians. So this, already here this side south, this is the north.
North,
So this is the north, they carving Shikara temple, this is south carving Gopram temple. So this is south and north. Why together here? The dynasty they are hiring the people. Like you are hiring me, then I came, then I explaining. Those time the Chalukya dynasty they are hiring the people. So the south and north people came. So they make south and north perfectly there, that side. That is the reason to they came here. And you know, and Buddha get knowledge under a tree, Bodhi tree. So see the door there, see the window there, and see that there is an arch, the tree leaves arch. And see the after us, angels taking flower and they bring it. And in the see the top side couple and two child. And this case first name Chaitya. Chaitya is spray hall. Second name is Vishwakarma. He is a carpenter.
Carpenter.
Yeah. So inside the ceiling is a wooden carve.
Was it in the inside?
Yeah, wooden carve in the rock.
Okay.
Wooden
Rock.
Yes, like that. And when you enter, you thinking you coming elephant stomach. The ceiling look like elephant stomach.
Okay.
So like in year and 2 times the sun is going Buddha's face. Year and 2 times the sunlight. Like this. Year and 2 times the sun is going Buddha's face like this. So sun in interest because Buddha inside no. So these people why going because it's 4:49
Oh.
evening time. So the sun coming east, they're going to west. That's why I'm saying evening time the sunrise. So they enter from there Buddha's face. And in 10 March and 3 October is happening every year.
Every year. Okay.
So it's I mean yes.
Once in a year.
Yeah, once in a year but 2 times. 10 March and 3 October. And this is Stupa Buddha, both 35 feet. And the ceiling like this. This is same thing inside.
Complete whole thing.
Yeah, inside. So this is a
Now there is no sunlight, but
now
that
no
day-
because this without sunlight no.
yeah.
And already I'm just showing the photo that is the sunlight.
Sunlight,
So
okay.
that is 3 October is going there. So this is a perfect gate.
ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಕೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10ಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಇವರು ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ ಆವಾಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಲೈಟು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
This is very simple case. Number 10 inside Stupa Buddha for 35 feet and so much carving inside and outside.
Okay.
So this is all living. That's why I'm saying 1, 2, 3, all 12 caves. So these are living, dining, living. These are all simple caves. So this is Buddha 6 feet. These are angels. And here Buddha 10 feet inside.
Okay.
So here 10 feet Buddha.
Okay.
And number 5, 15 feet. So every case same Buddha.
Okay.
No changing. These are vihara. These are rooms here. So these are rooms for meditation. So those times, these all monks people live. They're sitting inside and doing meditation inside. And see the 10 feet height.
Okay.
But this case is very huge, you know.
Huge.
So this was 10 feet. And there is a very small 6 feet. And number 5 is very huge. So there is a 15 feet.
Okay.
So every case same Buddha. Number 1, 2, 3, nothing there. Number 5, number 8, number 10, little bit carving. Number 10 is main one.
Main one.
Yes, that's why I'm taking directly number 10, that is the main one.
Okay.
And then after I will take the Kailash, the ALU.
Okay.
There is a very, when you see the Kailash, then you see everything. That is the main one.
Very main one.
Kailash.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಂದ 9. ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬಂದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕೇವ್ಸ್. ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಾರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ಲು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಈ ಮೊದಲ 9 ಕೇವ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. 10ನೇ ಕೇವ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಹಾಲ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ದೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅದು. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಕೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ 12. ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅವಾಗ. ಇಡೀ ಎಲ್ಲೋರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು 2 ಕೇವ್ಸ್. ಕೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10 ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಹಾಲ್ ನಾವೇನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಕೇವ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇವ್ ನಂಬರ್ 16. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಲಾಶ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಬ್ ಕೇವ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ದೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಆ ವ್ಯೂನ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೈಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕೈಲಾಶ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ.
Now they make the road, gardens, they're changing now everything. So now you're coming up and this is all in the down there. So you're walking, you don't understand. So Buddhist people, Hindu people, they go all agriculture here.
Okay.
So now 300 meters, no construction allowed here.
No?
No constructions.
Construction.
No construction, no agriculture, nothing. 300 meters.
300
Meters from here.
It's also prohibited.
Yeah. So this is no allowed here.
Not allowed.
Yeah. And there is a allowed, see, there is a water tank there is a village, Ellora. So all the village people, they use the other side agriculture. Not this areas. So this is the water tank, that side, and other side they all own property. Yes, this is all private property. So this area is not allowed.
Okay, so what is the complete square meter is belongs
Yeah,
to
yeah.
UNESCO?
Yes, 300, 400 meters. Close by. There is no construction, no agriculture. So like this. Now I have to come this side. So this temple is Kailash. Kailash, why called? This modern name is Kailash.
Yes.
And this temple dedicated to Shiva, this is called Kailash. So this is the one piece
Krishna
rock.
one,
Yes, Krishna one, you're right. So here the symbol is there. People thinking this temple made by aliens. I will show you the helipad place.
Shiva.
Yes, so this temple. So this temple, why monolithic? Is a single rock.
Yeah. Full entire.
Yes, and there is other temple. 1 to 50 they come in. And you're going in, then you're coming out. Going in, coming out. So this is the only one. You're coming yourself, you will be inside. We just see and then going out. You don't get idea how they make. So they start from there. See, excuse me. So see the tree. They start from there. From that tree.
From that tree,
Yeah, they start from there. From there to ground level 180 feet.
180 feet.
Yeah.
Ah,
From that tree, 180 feet.
okay.
See the garden, the people sitting. From there to here, 300 feet.
One single rock.
Yeah, from there to here, 300 feet. And from here to there, 150 feet.
Here.
The width is 150 feet. The length is 300 feet.
Okay.
And top to down 180 feet.
180 feet.
Why I'm telling this? 300 feet, 150 feet, 180 feet. You can make the idea.
Idea.
How the big?
How big
One
it
rock.
is.
Like this.
Yeah, you can imagine how the rock is.
Yeah, and they not bring other mountain rock and they not joined. So this is only one mountain.
single rock.
The largest monolithic temple in the world. That's what I'm telling you. So this is a 4 level. How many?
4 level.
This is see the Gopram.
Ah,
And this is stair here. And this two people taking photograph. From there to here 1 level.
Okay.
This pillar 2nd level.
Okay.
This is 3rd level.
Okay.
And the ground level people sitting there. This is a mountain finish there. They are ending there. So
Okay.
they start from there and the mountain finish there.
Oh.
So the first level inside who there Lingam.
ah.
Second level who there Nandi shows the vehicle.
Okay.
And third level who there there's a Sabha Mandap.
Savament.
And fourth level who there the people now local.
Okay.
And now they end before they end the mountain there. So now I'm asking you the first level, second level, third level, fourth level, 300 feet, 150 feet, 180 feet. First, second, third, you understand? But I'm asking what do you look like the shape? What do you think? What do you look like?
Rectangle.
No, step by step.
क्या बोलते भैया?
Stairs.
Okay, you talking of step by step, the carving like that. I will tell now how they you look, say step by steps. The Gopram to up the 20-meter rock not good when they start. After the Gopram the rock is very good. 160 meters the rock is good.
So made it extra.
Yeah, so the 20-meter rock, the Gopram to up the 20-meter rock not good when they start. After the Gopram the rock is very good. So the carving from south.
Okay.
So this is south portion.
Okay.
This is south. This is east. This is north. So you talking steps, right? So this is not a step. This is like a chariot, ratham. So this is like a rath. Because you came up, then you understand this is ratham. Otherwise, when you go inside, you thinking this is the temple. But now you came up, this is look like ratham. So see the center, the Shiva is Sarthi is there. So see the center, the Shiva.
yeah.
Is Sarthi. So they see the ground level, elephant lion, there is a wheel. So the elephant lion, this temple, they carry the shoulder. Because this is south, there is a north, this is east, all around is a wheel. This is the bridge, the Sarthi is there, this is... Are you telling no? Both up. You're right. They look like steps. Now I will tell about how they finish this temple. See, because you know I'm saying you, the 20-meter rock not good. After the Gopram, the rock is very good, right? They're carving south, then they're carving east, then they're carving north. So second level, third level, they not finish. You know why not finish? Because they need support. Like you, me, all three together. This is the wall.
Yes.
Now mountain now is deep. So when you're going, you're scaring because it's very deep. So Nandi Mandap and Sabha Mandap before was mountain here. You got it me?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying they're carving south, east, north, they're designing all, then they go deep. So when they go deep, south, north, east, they make the wheel, then coming back. So top to down, then back to front. Top to down, then back to front. Then make Nandi later, then Sabha later. And they finish their end. So they're carving start from there, that tree. So top to down, then back to front. So this is the largest monolithic, that's why they call. Because this single one piece.
This
so then
model of chariot.
Yes, like all this chariot. They shaped up like this. So second, third, they carve later. They done first here, then second, then third. So first, so much carving. Second, little bit carving. Third is very simple. And four, already mountain finish.
Finish, okay.
You got it? So this is like a chariot. But you know, how many chariot there? 16 chariot.
16.
More than.
Yeah.
Because see the one chariot is upside one. Tamil people call palki, palak.
Palak.
So this is one palak one. This is two here.
Ah.
So this is second one. There is only head.
Ah.
And see the Sarthi with body.
Ah.
All with body. The second is there.
Mm.
And third is here. Fourth is there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side is 8. How many? 16. And 7 lion. How many?
7.
2 here. In the top 4, 6. Shiva top is 1, 7. So 7 lion, 8 and 8, 16 chariot. 5 lotus flower. 2 lion middle 1. This is second is 2. Other side is 3. The Shiva, the 4 lion is already in the lotus. Yes, sir. And the Shiva sitting is 5. So 5 lotus, 7 lion, 8 and 8, 16 chariot. And see the Gopram 4 Nandi. Why 4 Nandi? 4 directions, south, east, west. And Nandi down, same small plug there. See the small plug. Why I'm telling like this? Because I am saying Gopram to up the 20-meter rock not good. After Gopram the rock is very good. So they're carving south, east, north, designing all this. Then they go deep, south, north, east, they make the wheel. Then they coming back. Then they make the bridge. Then make the Nandi, then gallery, then the end. So top to down, then back to front like this. So by many generation. And how many years they carved this temple? How many years? 200 years. And how many people? 7,000.
7,000.
Why 7,000 people? Why? Why 200 years? Why 7,000 people and why 10 generation? Why 10 generation? I will tell you now. See that the center of the lion, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 line like an X like this. And the X look like helipad. They're landing aliens. Because when you sit in the helipad from sky, they look like alien landing. But they look like that. Because this is open from sky. Other temple they cut in. This is cut out. That's why people confused. They thinking this temple, the alien came from sky, they land and they make. That's why America people telling, because why they say, why telling like this? Because 100 kilometers around where the debris is gone. 100 kilometers, there is no idea where they gone. But local people say the debris is going to Mansum. The small pieces, because this temple 13th century years ago. Because how they make the idea 200 years, 7,000 people, why? How they get idea? And why? Because this is because the lion, because the Gopram and the textures, they are all designing from Tamil Nadu and Hampi. They're designing all architecture from there to here. The same designing from South India to here. Then they agree because this lion is called Yali. Do you know Yali? Yali lion is Yali because Krishna one is symbol of power. They call Yali because Yali a lion is the same. You can get a Hampi. They call Yali. That kind of animals is Krishna one is symbol of power because this lion is a 5 animal mix. This lion is a 1 lion but 5 body of mix. The lion's leg is elephant. Because elephant, why? Because dynasty is stronger, powerful. The leg is elephant. Second, the teeth is crocodile. See the teeth is crocodile. And third is eye is eagle. Eagle is very sharp. So that's elephant, crocodile, eagle. And fourth one, the head is Garuda. Because lion hair is very simple. And the booms is lions because lions runner. So this kind of animals, the same you can get Hampi and Tamil Nadu. They call Yali. So this
we call Narasimha, Ugra Narasimha.
So this same texture of Krishna one is symbol of power. So he came from there to here. So he designing these structures here. So the same texture they get. Who get archaeologicals? Then they telling like this. Krishna one he started. Then carving 10 generation, 200 years, and 7,000 people. Why they telling? Because 1 hour, 7,000 people when they work here 1 hour 7,000. They remove 5 ton rock. And 12 hours when they work 60 ton. And every year when they work 20,000 ton. Then they agree it's possible to make 10 generation, 200 years, 7,000 people. They make the only idea. They make just calculations about because they're designing and carving the architecture like that. You got it me? You came from South India, right? So this is south portion. There is a north portion. This is east and north. The South Indian people worship to Vishnu. So this pillar is Vishnu. This pillar Vishnu. And that pillar Shiva. Because there is Shiva. So this is the Vishnu, that is Shiva. And Ramayana where? Finish Sri Lanka Ramayana. So this carving Ramayana here. See the wall. One line, this is Ramayana here.
Okay.
And Mahabharata where? Kurukshetra, Haryana. There is a Mahabharata in the north. So there is a north, Mahabharata, Shiva north, Ramayana south, Vishnu south. So south portion, Ramayana, Vishnu. North portion, Shiva and Mahabharata. And the ground level people came there, there is an elephant. And other side is elephant, 2 elephant. Right and left side. Right side and left side, 2 elephant. Then Vishnu, then Ramayana, then Lingam, then Nandi, then gallery. When you coming back, when you go down, Mahabharata, then Shiva, then elephant. And this temple has three time painting, 3 time. Krishna one, he done painting in the ceiling. Second one, Krishna Dev Rai, Vijayanagar, Samraj. Krishna Dev Rai. First Krishna one, Rashtrakuta. Second Krishna Dev Rai, Vijayanagar Samraj. Third one, local queen. You did already Jyotirlingam.
Yeah.
You did already because who done that Jyotirlingam? Ahilyabai Holkar. She made the Shikhar. The ground level is very simple. The lingam inside the ground level is very simple. But the Shikhar, who make Ahilyabai Holkar. She's from Indore. She came, she done that Shikhar. After that finish, then she came here and she make the painting here. Why she make the painting? She's thinking this temple look like Kailash. Kailash is white. There is snow. So 18th century she make all the painting here. Because the monsoon come heavy, the painting become finished. Because see the small painting, some places there is painting white. So 18th century she make all the painting here in those time, 18th century.
और महाभारत जो हुआ तो ये
And see this mountain is look like Kailash. This mountain shape look like Kailash. Some people say because the reason why they choose this place because this mountain shape look like the Kailash. On the ground level there is a Jain caves. That mountain is Jain caves. That mountain, see the white?
yeah got
State, you can see the state. There is a Jain caves. They 2 kilometers away from here. So the Jain is carved later. That is same replica.
Just like this.
Just like this, but this is 10 times bigger. That is 1 time smaller. Because I am saying no, Amagorsha is belong to Rashtrakuta, but he born in Hinduism, but he converted to Jainism. So he's make the replica. Like Agra is big Taj Mahal, Agra. Second Taj Mahal, Aurangabad, Bibika. So this is a big and that is smaller. So that is a later. That is 11th century. This is 13th century. This is 8th to 9th century. That is 10th to 11th century. And that is Buddhism 15th century. 15th century, 13th century, 11th century. So this is different time now and different dynasties like this. Okay, bhaiya.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ 600 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ವರ್ತ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಗೈಡ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದೋ ಕೇವ್ ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೇವ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ವ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು ಕೈಲಾಸ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯೂ. ಗೈಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಟೆಂಪಲಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮೇನ್ ದೇವರು ಬಂದು ಶಿವ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಶಿವಲಿಂಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವ ದೇವರಿಗೂ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವ್ರೂ ಭಿನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ರೀಸನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಪೂಜೆಗಳು ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೈಡ್ ಪಾಪ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ ಹೇಳೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಸಹ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋ ತನಕ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2.5 hours ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬಾ ವರ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ನನಗಂತೂ ಸಖತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಹೊತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಸಿಲಿದ್ರೂ ಕೇವ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಣ್ಣಗಿರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಮತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಾಯ್.